What's up, YouTube? YouTube? No, they out here. Sorry about that. They snow everywhere. Yep. You see, snow is everywhere out here. And it's cold 'cause I'm in pajama pants. But I don't care. Yeah, I know I can't sing. Yeah. So, yep. Snow all back here. He's in my little doggy rain. Yeah. That little doggy rain. Get down. And there right there is my pain. His name is Cash. I don't really know what his real name is. I don't really know what type of he is. He's that bad that be running around everywhere. Get down. Whew. Yep. It's my truck. You know, I got a whole lot of stuff here. Man, I'm trying to take you outside the gate to show you. And cars, trucks passing by. Yep, I live near to a highway. Trucks and stuff be walking, running around. We seeing some kind of events sometime, like people crashing and stuff. Okay, walk outside the gate. Yep, here's the beach. Snow. Snow is everywhere. Everywhere. I'm walking on ice. It's nothing but straight ice. Woo! I'm gonna feel these. Straight ice. Ice everywhere. Everywhere you go, they got it. Snow is everywhere, everywhere. Whew. And this right here, I know this right here is just black ice. Let's see. Let's see if it's just ice. Oh, this road, but got a little ice on it. So, down the street, all snow. There, all snow. So, thank you for watching this Snow Wonderland video. Whew. No doubt. So, thank you for watching.